Hey everyone! Welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up shipping zones and shipping rates in Shopify. Setting up proper shipping rules is crucial for smooth order fulfillment and ensuring customers see accurate shipping costs at checkout. Let's get started. Step 1. Access Shopify shipping settings first. Log into your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand menu, go to Settings, then click on Shipping and Delivery. This is where you'll manage your shipping zones and rates. Step 2. Create a shipping zone under the Shipping section. Click Manage Rates. Here, you'll see existing shipping zones if you've set any. To create a new one, click Create Shipping Zone. Name the zone, e.g., USA Shipping. Select the countries or regions where you want to offer shipping. Click Save. Step 3. Set up shipping rates. Now, you need to define shipping rates for the zone. You can choose from Flat Rate, a fixed price for shipping, e.g., $5 per order, Free Shipping, no charge for shipping, Great for promotions, Calculated Rates, uses real-time carrier rates, like UPS, FedEx, or USPS, Weight-based or price-based rates, charge based on product weight or order value. Click Add Rate, choose the type, set the amount, and save your changes. And that's it. Now you know how to set up shipping zones and rates in Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more Shopify tips. See you in the next video.